Hi there, I'm Jenna from ScribblingGrace.com, and this is my baby Clark. And today I'm going to be doing a flip through of what I have deemed his baby Bible. So this is a Bible that I've been working in for over a year now. That I'm doing specifically for him and to pray over him. So I'm about halfway through Psalms so far. I have 37 pages done, and I started working on this Bible when I was still pregnant with him over a year ago, and so I've been averaging about a page every 2 weeks in this Bible. So I'm halfway through Psalms, and I was originally going to be doing this video once I was all the way done with Psalms, but since that's still probably another year away, I figured I'd just go ahead and do a flip through of the halfway point. So this is my baby Bible flip through part 1, Psalms part 1. So I do have a video on how exactly I'm going about doing this journaling Bible, and I have a few tutorials of the pages that are in this Bible as well. So I will put all those links where you can find out more about how to go about creating a journaling Bible for a loved one. You can use the same tips for any loved one. It doesn't just have to be a child. And you can find all those links in the blog post that goes along with this video at scribblinggrace.com/babybibleFlipThrough. And I'll put that link in the description below. So let's go ahead and get flipping through this. So this Bible is the ESV Interleaved Journaling Bible. It has full blank pages on every other page. So I specifically chose this Bible so that I could have lots of space to do my art and notes about the baby, while also keeping all the scripture so that he can read this Bible one day. Okay, so this was the first page that I did, not in Psalms. I have this page here to document when he was born. And then here we go, we'll flip through Psalms. All of these pages are done using acrylic paint, so I used Apple Barrel acrylic paints for every single one of these pages. I just wanted them to be consistent with the feel of them. And then most of the pens are either the Tombow Funosuke brush pen or Uniposca paint pens. And I'll put those supplies in the blog post that goes along with this video, scribblinggrace.com/babybibleFlipThrough. I've been using this Bible as somewhat of a baby book, so I've been putting in some little milestones, like we found out it was a boy on this day, little things like he started crawling and he's eating his first foods, to kind of make a little memento of those moments as well. you.